Today is a good day to put some repairs on this 110, 120-year-old building. Last winter we had some wind come up and just shear a bunch of roofing right off of here. So pretty exciting to jump on a big 70-foot boom lift. Oh yeah, this is my jam, bruh. Yeah, smash that back in there. Whoa, careful. Careful of the 100-year roof. Boy, we're just tearing stuff down. Holy smokes. This is really interesting. As we're working on the roof, I get a chance to nail in these old boards from my ancestors. The beam in here is 100 years old. And just by the look of everything, the moss, the quality of the wood, you can see quite in there that it just looks scuzzy and gross. But when you countersink all these nails, you can just hear the solid beam in there. And again, this looks like crud. That is solid. Well, now it's time to swing in and put some nailers here. We've got them spaced apart here to provide some new wood for that roofing to screw into. So these old nailers are anchored to the old nailers that they were installed 120 years ago, and so we're just putting a new nailer on, going through our existing shakes. These aren't even shingles, they're old shakes, hand cut. Surprisingly, 120-year-old material, and we're still able to sink a screw right into it. It feels pretty good and tight too. It's not a farm job unless the cows get real interested in what's going on. Isn't that right, Max? Yeah, don't lick my tools. Boy, it's looking nice. Almost done. But the color. Well, goodness, we got the 120-year-old roof repaired. New sheet metal, new nailers, and surprisingly, it's screwed into 100-year-old material and held really well. Really surprising. An old barn like this is worth its weight in gold. We couldn't do any of our dry hay storage and our cattle production nearly as efficient as in a nice dry area. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.